How do you become a successful artist? How do you make money out of doing what you love?
Never give up on the daydream.
I'm DJ JAZZY and this is my series Chasing the Dream. If you are someone like me who loves singing, dancing, and acting, and you want to learn how to turn your dreams into a reality, click that subscribe button and turn post notifications on. Each week, I will be uploading videos sharing my knowledge that I have learned on my journey so far to help you get started on chasing your dream. So let's do this and start chasing our dreams together. If you have previously watched my video on what it means to be famous, you now understand not being famous doesn't mean you aren't successful. If you haven't watched it, make sure you go check it out now. Being a successful artist means you have a fan base. You are doing paid shows and people are buying your music and merchandise. But if you aren't there yet, don't worry, because each time you tick off a goal that you have set for yourself, you are on your way to success. Becoming successful in this industry does not come easy, so this is why you need to invest yourself 100% into your dream. First thing is perfecting your craft. If it's singing, you need to always be singing. Get vocal lessons, learn new songs every week. You should always be learning new techniques from other singers. Never think you can have 3 or 4 songs that you sing and not learn anything new. The key to being successful is to never stop learning and always work on your craft. Always believe that you can improve yourself. If you are a singer, dancer, or whatever it is that you do, you need to get out and start doing it. Enter into competitions. Busk. Do something where you're performing in front of people. The fear of performing in front of an audience will always be there until you start doing it. So practice. Practice and rehearsals are so important. Never ever go out and think you can perform without practicing. There is no one in the world that can tell me they perform just as good without rehearsals. If you perform in rehearsals as if you were performing to a live audience every time, your real performance will be mind-blowing, and you also don't get as nervous on stage because it's all muscle memory. You need to be a hard worker and learn extra crafts to get yourself at a higher level. It's either you have a lot of money and pay people to do things like photo shoots, filming, graphic designs for logos and artworks, or you can learn all of this stuff and do it yourself. Everyone starts somewhere and most don't have the money to pay people to make them look like a superstar. So you need to get creative in every way possible. Look like a superstar. Never feel as if you need to underdress. If you look like a superstar, you feel like a superstar. Presentation is memorable. Don't think you need to spend a lot of money to look amazing. You need to look at some of your favorite artists and think, how can I take my look to the next level? Add accessories, add whatever you think will make someone look at you and remember you. Don't think because you invest yourself 100% into your dream that you only work on your dream and nothing else. Investing yourself 100% means you need to find out how you can realistically achieve your dream. If you are in school, you need to make sure you get home and do all of your homework so you can focus on your real passion. If you are old enough to have a job, get a job so that you can save money so you can buy that really cool outfit you wanted. Then buy your next recording mic or camera to be able to start creating. You need to sometimes do other things in life to achieve your goal. The key thing is to never stop dreaming. Never limit yourself and constantly work on your craft and towards your goals. Set realistic goals for yourself. Promote yourself and start putting your creativity out there. We are in a world that is based around social media now, and there are so many platforms for you to gain a following. But how do you begin? Comment down below how many times a week you practice your craft. If you are passionate about learning how to start chasing your dreams and turning them into a reality, click that subscribe button and turn post notifications on, because I want to share with you all of my tips and tricks. I want you to be a part of this journey with me because there's so much room at the top. Can't wait to see you in my next video on how to begin.
Never give up on the daydream.